Cashew apple is a highly nutritious and perishable pseudo-fruit. Proper pre-processing is essential to ensure quality, safety, and suitability. Fully ripened, uniformly colored, and good quality cashew apples harvested from the tree are suitable for processing. The apples are thoroughly washed 2 to 3 times in clean potable water to remove adhering dirt, debris, and surface contaminants. There are two ends of the fruit: the tip, where the nut is attached to the fruit, and the base, where the apples are attached to the tree. The tip and base should be cut before pulping or juice making, as the base, narrow end, has more tannins, and the tip, broader end, is sweeter but has more fiber. The cashew apples are cut into smaller pieces. The pre-processed cut apples are fed into a crusher or juice extractor. Care should be taken to avoid excessive crushing, which may increase tannin extraction and bitterness. The juice can be extracted manually by squeezing the pulp through muslin cloth. The juice is further filtered through a muslin cloth or sieve to remove coarse particles and fibrous material, resulting in a clearer liquid.